Hi there, Dan here, founder of Excel Academy, and if you're watching this video, it means you are part of Afrika Tikkun and you are interested in finding out more info about Excel Academy and our workshops. So back in the beginning of 2014, I had quit my job. I used to work as an actuary for 4 years and I got really good at Excel after being very weak at Excel, and I realized that I've got a passion for helping people. So I quit my job and I realized that there's so many people out there who don't know what they don't know when it comes to Excel. And it's an extremely powerful and useful business tool. So started Excel Academy, and very proud to say that over the last 6 years, we've trained over 12,000 people in South Africa and around the world. And our workshops are split into 3 levels. We're very passionate about helping people to work smarter and to be more productive and to make learning easy, accessible and fun. So Excel 101, you'll see that it's designed to look almost like a children's book. This workshop is not necessarily purely for beginners. It's not necessarily a basic or beginner's course. There's a whole lot of efficiency tools and tricks and techniques in here. We basically give you a solid foundation. It's the fundamentals. We show you how to work smartly and accurately in Excel. We show you a whole lot of keyboard shortcuts. That's always a fan favorite. We show you how formulas work in Excel, functions, as well as setting out your spreadsheet correctly and using best practices, and also formatting your work. So there's a big section on formatting. Okay, that's Excel 101. This used to be an 8-hour classroom-based workshop, and I'll tell you in a few moments how it is delivered now. Excel 202 includes a whole lot of data analysis techniques. It's sometimes referred to as intermediate to advanced Excel. We look at a raw data set and we show you how to manipulate, analyze, sort, filter, visualize that data, and really make sense of that data so that you can make better business decisions. Okay, once again, you can see almost looks like a business, like a children's book, and you can see one of the highlights is VLOOKUP. You can see here how simple, fun, and easy and step-by-step we make VLOOKUP. Another big highlight over here is pivot tables. So there's a big section on pivot tables and pivot charts, Excel 202. Then comes Excel 303, where we cover macros, VBA, and automation. We also bring together a whole lot of elements from Excel 101, 202, and 303. So they really do build on each other, kind of like a university degree. Okay, now you might be wondering, and I touched on it a few moments ago, that this used to be an 8-hour course, and so was 202 and so was 303. We used to come on site into the classroom and do a face-to-face workshop. Now, over the last few years, we've been refining what we call our Gamified Blended approach. Okay, what does that mean? How does it work? So essentially, how it works is step 1 is a 1-hour kickstart or activation or onboarding session. Okay, that kickstart session is typically held in the classroom face-to-face or via a live video call or webinar. Okay, and that 1-hour kickstart session is designed to get everybody on the same page, to explain how the workshops work, to explain what's expected of you, to give you a demo and a walk through the online platform so you know exactly how to navigate around. The online platform includes videos, quizzes, Excel exercises, and an assessment at the end of each workshop. Okay, and we also talk to you about a time frame for expected completion. Okay, so instead of leaving it completely open-ended and saying you can do it whenever you want, we give you approximately 2 to 3 weeks per workshop level. Now, during that time period, we provide you with proactive support. We check in with you, we make sure that you're supported, and we track your progress, okay, via this WhatsApp group. So we call that Excel Pal. And that's during that time period. And we also incentivize you through some generous incentives and rewards for completion within that time period. And over and above that, we give you lifetime access beyond that time period. Okay, so you really do have that peace of mind that you can come back and refresh and recap and rewatch the videos. Okay, so I hope that that answers a whole lot of questions that you've had, and we look forward to seeing you in a kickstart session very soon. Till then, take care.